Hi everyone. Have you heard people talking about MCP and wondering what it actually is? Maybe you have seen terms like AI agents, MCP servers, and model context protocol and thought, this sounds complicated. Don't worry. In this video, I'm going to explain MCP in very simple terms. You will understand exactly what it's becoming so important in AI development. So first we will go through what problem does MCP solve. Let's imagine you have a super smart robot assistant. You ask it, find all my emails about interviews and put the dates into a spreadsheet. Sounds simple, right? But there's a problem. Your emails are in a Gmail, your spreadsheets is in Google Sheets, your calendar is somewhere else. So how does the robot know how to talk to these different applications? That's the problem MCP solves. Imagine every device had a different charger. Think about your phone, tablet, and headphones. Imagine one required a completely different charger. That would be annoying. Thankfully, we have standard USB-C. USB-C gives device one common way to connect and communicate. MCP works in a very similar way. MCP is like USB-C for AI. Instead of teaching an AI a different way to connect to every application, MCP provides one common standard. You can think of MCP as USB-C for AI tools. Once a tool supports MCP, any AI that understands MCP can communicate with it. No custom integration required. A simple calendar example. Let's say you ask an AI, what's on my calendar tomorrow? Without MCP, a developer has to build a custom connection to Google Calendar, then another custom connection for Outlook, and another one for other calendar systems. That's a lot of work. How MCP makes it easy? With MCP, the calendar provides an MCP server. Now the AI already know how to communicate using the MCP standard. The conversation looks like this. AI, give me tomorrow's events. Calendar, you have a meeting at 10 a.m. AI, you have a meeting tomorrow at 10 a.m. Simple. So that's how MCP solves different problems. Now if we go to the next point, what exactly is an MCP server? Let's use a restaurant example. Imagine you are sitting in a restaurant. You don't want to walk into the kitchen and cook your own food. Instead, you talk to the waiter. The waiter takes your order, takes to the kitchen, and brings the result back. MCP works the same way. It acts like a waiter for you. AI asks the MCP server, these are the things that it needs. It's go to the server side, gets the data, and directly gives it back to the user. Now let's see the next point. Do you need to learn MCP right now? If you are just starting your AI journey, focus on these topics first, like LLM fundamental, prompt engineering, RAG, retrieval augmented generation, AI agents, then learn MCP. Once you have built a few AI agents, MCP will make a lot more sense, but you will understand why AI tool needs to be learned first. Now let's go to the final summary. Let's recap. MCP stands for Model Context Protocol. It is a standard way for AI systems to communicate with external tools and applications. Just like USB-C lets you device to connect with other standard connector, MCP lets AI to connect to tools using one standard protocol. That's why many people call MCP USB-C for AI. And as AI agents become more common, MCP is quickly become one of the most important concepts every AI developer should understand. If this explanation helped you understand MCP, don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more AI developer friendly tutorials. Thank you.